Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can convert your Sprite sheet into a Niagara effect. So let's start by adding a material to it, and I will drag my texture to it. You can drag your own, and I will set the blend mode to translucent, and we will search for particle sub UV, and we will convert it into a parameter, and we will drag our texture here. I will search for particle color, and we will multiply them, and we will attach it to image color and opacity. And here we will search for Niagara System, and we'll select empty one. Here we will drag our material, and we'll select the sub UV according to our Sprite UV division, and we'll search for spawn burst instantiate, and we'll set the initial particle lifetime minimum. It decides our animation speed, and we'll search for sub UV animation, and we'll select our sprite renderer, and here we will set our number of sprites, and you can see our sprite is almost ready. Here we will select our size, and we'll drag our effect here, and we will keep it for infinite, and its loop duration 0.5. Here we go. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video.